Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm going to be breaking down email marketing and why it's so important for your business. But yeah, email marketing is so important as it is the passive income part, and also how you can be making commissions and driving traffic towards your affiliate links without even working on your business. Whilst you're at school, whilst you're at work, whilst you're watching Netflix, your email marketing system will be in the background working for you. So yeah, if that does sound interesting, then make sure you do watch this video towards the end. And I do also have a special offer too for you guys to be able to partner with a high ticket affiliate program. So yeah, with that being said, let's get right into the presentation. Okay, so let's get into what actually is email marketing. Well, email marketing is basically just marketing through emails, because once you do have the person's email, you can then send them a email related to the affiliate product you're promoting for them to potentially turn into a customer afterwards. So simply just promoting your offers through people's emails. That's it. So how does email marketing actually work? So as you can see on the page, it starts at the opt-in page of your sales funnel. Once you have collected the email on the opt-in page, which is meant for, you can then send them a series of emails relayed back to your affiliate offer and to other affiliate offers you may have. Yeah, this is the passive income part, as once they haven't bought them in the first place, you can then send them a series of emails afterwards, as you do have their email address already, and you can basically just promote your products like that. But that's the main importance of it. You collected the opt-in page, send them a series of emails about your affiliate products, collect commissions, and pretty much that's it. Okay, so why is email marketing so important? Well, most conversions come through email marketing, because remember, most people don't buy your product the first time they go to the page, but then once you send them a series of emails afterwards, they are more likely to be able to click the link and then purchase the product then. An email list is also part of your traffic for life. Once you have the email address, you have it for life, unless they don't use email anymore. That is the email address, and you can still be able to send them a bunch of emails afterwards about your products. For example, let's say your TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube account, it gets completely banned. You still have their email address, of course, so you will still be able to send them a series of emails afterwards about different products, and even tell them if you go on a new page or something like that. You can keep messaging them personally as well too. Also, email marketing allows you to bring a omnipresence, which means that your people that you're emailing, they have a connection towards you personally, and you can build trust with them as you send them value in emails too. And you keep up with them. You don't just lose them as a person, as a potential customer. You still have them as someone you are emailing and keeping in contact with daily, or whenever. Okay, so here's the 6-figure funnel hack for email marketing. So here are the 4 key essentials that you will need to have to be able to capture emails and send them high value to be able to convert them into customers afterwards. Which brings us on to number 2, which is the lead magnet, which actually gets them to opt in. The lead magnet is where it's like, okay, what's gonna get into the head for them to actually put their email in. For example, like, you want a good lead magnet. So let's say someone's company says, put in your email to be subscribed to our newsletter. Personally, I would just be like, I don't really want to be subscribed to that. What's the point? And I wouldn't enter my email. But if you offer something like a free video or a free ebook or like a free guide or something, then they will put their email address in for them to be able to go to that page afterwards. And then of course, collecting their email, of course you can then send them a sequence of emails too. But the lead magnet is, of course, basically where you get them to opt in for a reason, for something in return. And that brings us on to number 3, which is the bridge page, which is the page right before the affiliate product and the page right after the landing page after they opt in. So this is basically where they will go after they put their email in. After I said the lead magnet, which is maybe like a video, that's where you might put a video on the bridge page. That's what I do personally myself. But that's basically the page they will go to after your landing page and after they opted in. Which brings us to number 4, which is the high value email sequence. Mine tend to range from around 7 to 10 days, but it can be long or short as you want. But basically, you're going to want to be sending them high value stuff, referring them back to your affiliate product to then turn them into a potential customer. But yeah, as you have their email now, you're going to want to be sending them related stuff towards your affiliate product. Most important part is high value. You don't want to be just sending them anything, not related or just not worth it. Give value, give tips, give help, build a story, build an omnipresence, as I said before. But in the email sequence, you're going to be them, referring them back to your affiliate product, most importantly. Okay, now guys, I'm going to be showing you my email marketing system and how I actually implement email marketing into my affiliate marketing business. So right here, we're on the first page of my sales funnel, my landing page. And right here, I just quickly explain a bit background story. But mainly I have my lead magnet, which I explained before, which is, what I use myself is a short video. So I'm showing I have a short video on the next page explaining, how successful with affiliate marketing. And I'm giving them an actual reason to put their email address in. So when you press start now, boom, the pop-up comes up. and I'm saying put the information in below and you'll be able to access the video next. Okay, so now they've actually put their email address in on the landing page. They'll be redirected right here to my bridge page where the free video I promised was before. So now that they've had a reason to put their email address in, and now they've got the reason, which is the free video here. So on the free video I just explain a bit more about the product, and then my affiliate link goes here, boom, to the actually affiliate offer. But of course they might not buy here the first time, so the main important part is that you actually have their email address on the landing page. And now we're going to be going into the automation of where you actually send them the high value email sequence afterwards. Okay, so I use GetResponse for my email marketing tools and to be able to send them the high value email sequence afterwards too. But GetResponse is basically where I host all my email marketing in general. So of course I have my GetResponse paired to my sales funnel. So we're going to go ahead and go to my workflow, and I'm going to show you the email marketing automation that I use myself. So this automation is for the 3-day challenge, which is my offer. And let's go here and we'll check it out. So of course they subscribe to the list, which is on the opt-in page to put an email address in. They're now subscribed to my email list. And how I do is I wait for 10 minutes, send them an email, wait for a day, send an email. If they don't open the messages, then they'll get a follow-up email like 2 days later. But yeah, this is just automation of the email things that I use. I'm going to open the email and see actually what I would write inside. Okay, so now we're actually seeing an email that I've actually put up. On this page right here, this is the first email that actually sends people when they opt into my subscriber list. But yeah, on this one I just actually explain who I am, a bit more about myself. But yeah, I'm building an omnipresence, and I'm talking about Jonathan Montoya himself, the person inside, because they kind of know who I am a little bit more because I put some facts down. But I'm building a connection with Jonathan too, who's actually hosting the affiliate product. But yeah, that is just one email that I will send. Of course there will be different ones not related to this, some with higher value, explaining affiliate marketing a bit more, giving some tips and tricks like that, how to leverage different things. But in the first email I explain myself a little bit more and how affiliate marketing is the best business model for a beginner. But yeah, with that being said, now we're on the actual special offer part. So I'm actually going to give you guys the chance to actually partner with an already proven affiliate program, an affiliate program that does really well and converts highly too. The one that I use personally myself, the 3-day challenge. You want to check that out, links in the description below. But I do highly recommend you do partner with this program, as it is already proven to be successful. And as a bonus, I'm actually going to give you guys all the email scripts that you actually need for this affiliate program, because you're probably thinking, okay, how am I actually going to write emails? I'm actually going to give you all these scripts that you actually need that actually work and convert well with high value. As I said, 7 days worth of good email scripts. So GetResponse will be linked in the description below to be able to host your email marketing. Also the 3-day challenge, you'll be able to partner with them too, and also the bonus email scripts will be linked in the description below. So to wrap this up, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video, and I hope it did help you a lot with email marketing itself. If you are still confused, then just go ahead and rewatch it. But with that being said, please subscribe to the channel. I'd really appreciate it. I'm going to be posting weekly videos just like this about affiliate marketing. But thank you guys for watching this video today, and peace out.